Are you a junior DevOps engineer looking to advance your career and become a lead DevOps engineer? If so, in this video, we're going to talk about the steps you can take to make that transition. But before diving in, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. This is free for you, but it definitely helps me to grow. So without further ado, let's get started. What exactly is a junior DevOps engineer? A junior DevOps engineer is a role that typically focuses on the execution of DevOps practices and tools. They may be responsible for tasks such as setting up and configuring CI/CD pipelines. They will also automate deployments and monitor the infrastructure. A junior DevOps engineer is typically an entry-level position in the field of DevOps. They have a basic understanding of principles and practices of DevOps and are responsible for assisting with the implementation and maintenance of DevOps processes and tools. They develop strong understanding of the underlying technologies involved in DevOps over time, but they may not have as much experience in leading or managing the teams. The next thing is, what exactly is a lead DevOps engineer? A lead DevOps engineer is a role that typically focuses on the strategic and operational aspects of DevOps. They may be responsible for leading and managing DevOps teams, designing and implementing DevOps solutions, and communicating DevOps best practices to other teams within the organization. Lead DevOps engineers typically have a deep understanding of DevOps principles and practices, as well as they have experience in leading and managing teams. They have a deep understanding of DevOps principles, extensive technical expertise, and leadership skills as well. So in this video, I'm going to give you 9 tips on how to move from junior DevOps engineer to lead DevOps engineer. So the first one would be expand technical skills. As a junior DevOps engineer, focus on expanding your technical skills and knowledge. Learn various tools and technologies used in the DevOps ecosystem, such as configuration management tools like Ansible, Puppet, and containerization tools like Docker, Kubernetes, cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, GCP, and CI/CD tools like Jenkins, GitLab, and other things. Stay updated with the emerging trends and best practices in DevOps. Second one would be gain hands-on experience. Seek opportunities to gain hands-on experience with complex DevOps projects. Actively participate in deploying, configuring, and managing infrastructure and applications using different tools and technologies. Collaborate with senior DevOps engineers and learn from their experience. Third one would be build automation skills. Automation is a fundamental aspect of DevOps. Develop expertise in scripting and programming languages like Python, Ruby, or PowerShell. Automate repetitive tasks such as infrastructure provisioning, application deployment, and monitoring. Showcase your automation skills by implementing efficient and scalable solutions. The fourth one would be improve system administration skills. DevOps engineers need a solid understanding of system administration concepts. Enhance your knowledge in Linux, Unix systems, network protocols, security practices, and troubleshooting techniques. This will enable you to effectively manage infrastructure and ensure the smooth operations of the applications. Fifth one would be develop collaboration and communication skills. Very important as you progress. Focus on improving your collaboration and communication skills. Interact with cross-functional teams, including developers, QA engineers, and operations personnel. Demonstrate your ability to effectively communicate technical aspects and ideas to both technical and non-technical stakeholders. Sixth one would be take on leadership opportunities. Seek opportunities to take on leadership responsibilities within your team or projects. Volunteer to lead small-scale DevOps initiatives, coordinate tasks, and mentor junior team members. Show initiative and a willingness to take ownership of critical aspects of the DevOps process. Seventh one would be continuous learning and certification. DevOps is an evolving field, and staying updated is crucial. Engage in continuous learning by attending conferences, webinars, and workshops. Pursue relevant certifications like AWS Certified DevOps Engineer, CK for the Kubernetes to validate your skills and enhance your professional profile. Eighth one would be demonstrate business acumen. Understand the business objectives and requirements of your organization. A lead DevOps engineer is responsible for aligning DevOps practices and business goals. Develop an understanding of financial aspects, risk management, and regulatory compliance relevant to your industry. Ninth one would be proactively identify and solve problems. Take a proactive approach to identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies in the DevOps process. Propose and implement solutions to streamline workflows, improve scalability, enhance security, and increase overall efficiency. At the end, you must seek guidance and mentorship from senior DevOps engineer or leaders within your organization. Actively seek feedback on your work and areas for improvement. embrace a growth mindset, and continually strive to enhance your skills and knowledge. Moving from a junior DevOps engineer to a lead DevOps engineer requires a combination of technical expertise, leadership skills, and proactive mindset. By focusing on expanding your technical knowledge, gaining hands-on experience, and developing strong collaboration and communication skill, you can position yourself for the growth in your DevOps career. And that is for the video, folks. Make sure to comment down and share your opinion as well. I read all my comments. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you very, very soon.